Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to install Discord application on Android. So let's start the video, but before starting this video there is a polite reminder, please like this video and subscribe the channel. So let's start. First of all, open your Play Store and type Discord on the search bar, tap on install button. Once you have done, the installation process will start. %100% install. The installation process is completed. Tap on open. This is how we install Discord application from Play Store. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.